Am I recording? Yeah.
Okay, so I hear beeping. Nominations. One of them, without thinking about it, Salvadorian boy.
I gotta do this challenge right. Okay, let's go. Let's go do this freaking challenge. Let's get the video started. Let's do this. What's up, guys? Salvadorian boy coming at you with another Friday video. Bum, 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 bum. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. For my subscribers that are returning, thank you for always coming back. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for the videos every Friday. If you hit that sub button and that notification bells, I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as you guys saw, I got nominated to do this 3x3 challenge by Brit Ninja. Brit Ninja, thank you much for nominating me, I guess. I'm usually the one doing the call-outs. I guess he got lucky. He got lucky and was able to call me out. So we're doing this 3x3 challenge. I'm supposed to call out 3 people to do this challenge. And I'm supposed to say 3 things about myself that you guys may or may not know. So the first thing that I'm going to let you guys know, if you have watched any of my older videos, like old videos, I started riding on a scooter. This was a thing that I kept trying to, you know, get on 2 wheels, and the wife would never let me. So I was like, hey, I want to get a bike. I want to get a bike. And she told me as a joke, she's like, the only way that you are ever going to be on 2 wheels is if you get a scooter. So I said, done. I'm getting the scooter. I got the scooter off of Craigslist. And I enjoyed being on 2 wheels, even if it was on a scooter. You could just see Salvadorian boy just like, man. So it was fun. I think that lasted for about a year, and then I traded that for a bike, and that's how I got 2 bigger bikes and stronger bikes. So it started out with a scooter. Second thing that you may not know about me, I don't know, you can probably see it in the videos, is that I am letting my hair grow out. I don't know if you can see it in the wind, just freely there. I'm letting my hair grow out because I cannot grow a beard. I guess that compensates. Look at this guy's beard. Woo! Hey man, I wish I had a beard like that. That's so badass. So I guess I'm trying to compensate for me not being able to grow a beard or any mustache at all. On my hands, I don't got any hair. Maybe that's the same for Lil Savvy Jr. He may not be able to grow any hair, facial hair. So yeah, that's number 2. Fact number 3 that you may or may not know about me, and I may have said this before, is that I don't have my motorcycle endorsement on my license. Why I don't have that? I just have not done it. Am I going to do it? Yes, I will do that sometime. I'm not sure when. Once I decide to get my motorcycle endorsement, I will let you guys know. 3 things about myself that you may or may not have known or noticed. And now I'm supposed to call out 3 people to do this challenge. And this is not going to be the 3 people that I want to nominate, but I just want to give these people a shout out for being big time supporters. Brit Ninja 88 for calling me out, being a long time supporter, and Knuckles TV. Those 2 people are the best people that you can ever have on your team. So I appreciate you guys a lot. It really means a lot that you guys are on my side. And yeah, The first nomination to do this 3x3 challenge is T4M. T4M. You got to do this challenge 3x3. The second person I want to nominate to do this challenge is HOLLARMOTO. HOLLARMOTO. I'm calling you out, brother. And the third person that I'm going to nominate to do this challenge is Sixpin. Or if you guys have not been nominated, I want you guys to do this 3x3 challenge. And if you have been nominated already, I am sorry. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Thank you guys for giving it a thumbs up. If you comment, I promise I will answer your comment. Thank you guys. Don't forget, you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Thanks, Brit Ninja. Bye guys. Later. 3x3 challenge.